So hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you enjoy. Smash that subscribe button, leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a lead stats. So this is what it normally looks like. If you've got no scripts at all, just load in. As you can see, nothing, and it just looks boring base plate. Well, before we get started, what I like to do is I like to click on the base plate, properties, change the brick color to lime green, change the material to grass, and then get rid of its texture so it looks like that. And now for the scripting. So instead of script service, you will add script, and inside the script you could add a function. I should say game.Players.PlayerAdded connect function player. So what that does is it checks when the player is added, and then local leaderstats is equals to an Instance.new NumberValue. You can use not NumberValue, folder. leaderstats.Name is equals to leaderstats.Parent is equals to player. Or you could just do folder and then comma and then player if you wanted to, but I'm just going to do leaderstats.Parent is equal to player. And then you say local, I'm going to say cash is equals to an Instance.new NumberValue. You can use int value if you want to, but I would recommend using NumberValue. Change to your value. Change to your stat. Cash. I do it with a capital because yeah, I just do. I don't know why. Cash.Name is equals to cash, so that's what's going to be the name of it. Cash.Value, so how much you spawn with, is 0, and then Cash.Parent is equals to leaderstats. So let's go and test this out. And you see, I've got cash in the top right corner. Now, if you want to, you can rename your script to leaderstats. I would recommend doing that. Okay, so if you only do one stat, that's okay. I'm going to do another stat. I'm going to say low. So what you can do actually is you could copy this and paste it. You should be able to do that, and then get rid of cash there and replace it with whatever your value is. It's hard to select it. Okay. You could call like the stat to like thing and then name it items or whatever your stat is. So I'm actually going to put this here because I feel like you need to name your stat correctly. So I would put it actually here. If you don't want to write it out, then the script will be in the description. So yep, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that subscribe button and leave a like down below. See ya next time.